Here's Mason flying his awesome little homemade plane that we built together like a month ago. It's a good little slow flyer. So let's see it. There she goes. This is just an awesome little slow flying plane.
That's full throttle. Oh.
Yeah, get it. Oh, there we go. Oh, we lost the prop on the landing.
It's kind of, I know.
Okay, second flight on the mini little homemade plane. Do we have a name for this thing? We have the Red Barron on there.
Barron.
The White Barron.
Yeah.
The homemade White Barron. Look at this awesome little plane. Made out of dollar store foam board and a little hot glue. It's not super pretty, but she flies great. And that's what matters.
There we go. Nice.
There she goes.
That's full throttle. Dang, she's fast.
Look at that thing go. Oh, that thing's awesome. Flies so good. Let's see if I zoom in a little bit, get a little.
No hands.
Look at that, no hands. No hands flying. It's just so stable. We do have safe on this, so that does make a big difference, but it just flies great. Just a great flying plane.
So this is intermediate.
So I don't know if we have the power on this to actually do any rolls, but we have plenty of power to take off and have fun. Look at that thing go.
This thing flies beautiful.
It just flies amazing. Super solid little plane.
It's like, it just floats. It's like.
Yeah. Look at that, Mason's no hands. No hands on the controller. Look at that sucker go. That's one thing cool about safe. It does help. We just built a really good flying plane. Pretty fast too. Okay, so if we're at full throttle, I think we got about a 5-minute fly time, because usually if you're at around half throttle, you're getting closer to 12 minutes. See how slow you can fly it.
Okay, there we go.
A little bit more throttle, a little bit more elevator. Oh, she's down.
That was a decent landing.
Good landing.